Hi! My name is Marv, and ako ang inyong magiging trainer. In this video, you will learn about the certification and the reviews tab. Para saan nga ba ang certification and reviews tab? Ang certification, isa ito sa mga pwede ninyong fill outan habang gumagawa kayo ng product. Same goes with the reviews tab. Dito nyo naman makikita ang approved at disapproved comments ng inyong mga products. Let's start! Para makapagsimula, open natin ulit ang dashboard. Pagkadating sa dashboard, pindutin natin ang products at products. Pagkadating sa products at products, piliin natin ang produkto na kailangan ng certification at let us select the certification tab. For more detailed explanation about certification, ito ang mga products na merong certificate to prove its authenticity. Halimbawa, kayo ay bumili ng relo. Normally, the sellers give you a certification to prove its authenticity. Next is the reviews tab. This is where you will find the approved and disapproved reviews of your products. Hence, this is important dahil dito magbabase ang isang customer kung maganda ba talaga ang isang produkto. After ninyo makapag-upload ng certification para sa product na ito, click Save. And remember, this is for products that has certifications only. And if you want to see the approved and disapproved comments of your product,